Hi everybody, welcome, Tasso here from the Equipment Guide, and welcome to our review for the best beach chairs in the UK. Today we'll tell you what advice we would give to our family if they wanted to buy a beach chair. We'll guide you step by step through our review, and we'll tell you what you'll get for your money. For the purpose of this review, we also looked at camping chairs, because people have different needs if they want a chair. So what advice would I give to my best friend if he wanted to buy a beach chair? There's a few common questions. The first one is, how do I know if it's going to be comfortable? Consider if you want a chair that reclines or is upright. You should also always look if there's space between the chair and the frame, because that can be really uncomfortable if there's no space in between. You should also think about if the size of the seat is relative to your body size. And for a last notch, you should always look for a few extras, like armrests and cup holders. So how important is portability? Nobody wants to carry heavy stuff down a cliff. That's why you should be looking for lighter stuff with carry straps or backpack straps. So will it last? The problem with most beach chairs is that they will start rusting. So you should be looking for a rust-treated aluminium. And you should also be looking for good quality fabric, so it's gonna last you for years. We're gonna take a closer look now in our reviews. We've ranked our beach chairs into 5 different categories: construction and design, setup and pack down, comfort, durability, and portability. For full details, see our website. Construction and design is the first category we are looking at. This focuses on how well the chair is made and how good it's designed for sitting. The difference here does tend to be in line with the price. Cheaper chairs will be less well constructed. Chairs like the Tommy Bahama or the Rio have strong stitching and high quality frames, as well as features like reclining, armrests, pockets, and drink holders. The next category is setup and pack down. This refers to how easy it is to set up a chair. Most of the chairs in our review are easy to set up. The only difference is with reclining chairs, where it's a bit more difficult. Portability looks at an important mix of weight, pack size, and the ease of carrying. Does it come with backpack straps or in a bag with a shoulder strap? There are 2 clear styles here: chairs that fold in half and chairs that fold into a tube shape. Smaller chairs will obviously tend to be lighter, but the key thing for us is to think how you want to use it. If it's just a chair for you, then the backpack chairs are great. Whereas if you're a family of 4 carrying a lot of stuff down to the sea, then you might want several smaller chairs that you can fit in a cart. Comfort. This is probably the single most important consideration in a beach chair. Make sure chairs have a deep and wide enough seat to accommodate you. Low-backed, non-reclining chairs can definitely be comfortable. Just make sure that's what you want. And if you're after a high-back chair, also make sure the back will be high enough to rest your head against. Something with armrests, or at least places to rest your arms, is key. Finally, make sure you choose a chair without an obvious frame that's going to dig into you while you're sitting. Last but not least, durability. Surprisingly, you'll not always get a chair that lasts longer just because you pay more. You need to know what you're looking for. We'd recommend chairs using at least 300 denier fabric, which will last well over time. Aluminum frames are much lighter weight than steel, but not quite as strong. So choose based on what you prioritize. And make sure everything metal is rust treated, as repeated exposure to salty air cause the joints in the metal frame to corrode and weaken over time. Alright, the all-important budget question. There are always outliers, but at the time of writing, we can split the market into 3 big segments. Under £50. In this category, you'll find simpler designed chairs that probably won't recline. But there's a few durable picks, so if you like that, that's good for you. So for £50 to £75 chairs, you'll get less well constructed reclinable chairs, but you get good chairs with nice features. So if you want a good, nice reclinable chair, you might need to go to the upper class. For over £100, you get a good quality chair that reclines with nice features. but you shouldn't be spending more than £150 for a beach chair. Okay, so overall, let's have a look where we landed. The Kampa Sandy High Back came out on top, which is a simple, durable, comfortable chair, and a fantastic buy for the price. Also worth mentioning is the Tommy Bahama backpack chair. It's a great combination of lightweight, durable materials, thoughtful design, and comfort. And the Rio and Song Mix folding chairs. The Song Mix being a significantly cheaper option, the Rio more stylish. We've also got some very affordable camping chairs that perform quite well in our testing. Okay, so that's it with our review. For full written reviews, see our website. And if it helped you buy a beach chair, feel free to jump on our website to donate or tell us what you thought.